South Africa kancane kancane iyaphela. Bheka nje kwenzakalani. Ngekudala bathole i-drug laboratory esedorobheni elincane lapha eStandardini esempumalanga. Usuka 3 hours eGoli mawuya eStandardini. That's how close it is to Johannesburg and how far it is from Johannesburg. Leli dolobha nje encane lapha ku-industrial area yakhona kutholakale ifemu. Le femu shuthi yashiwa inkampani yakhile yayenza khona ukukhiqiza lokho ayikhiqiza khona manje yarentisa abantu abakhiqiza ama-drugs. Ilapho-ke ethe mayingena ingalo yomthetho yadibana namasaka alama-drugs obala khona o-NaOH ama-flakes wakhona. Yiwo-ke lawa ade sebenziswa engena emshinini eyahlukahlukene ukuthi ekhiqize lama-drugs. Bathe-ke mabeyibheka yonke le femu bathola nemishini kanokusho yokukhiqiza. Mabethola lapho kade besebenza phakathi abantu abangesibo abala eSouth Africa. Yilapho-ke laba abakwazi ukuveza nokuthi okunye kuseplazini elingama-kilometers awu-25 mawusuka eStandardini uyakhona. Yilapho-ke bafike bathola khona ezinye izinto ezihlanganisana nale-drug laboratory. Yilapho-ke babe sebebamba abanye futhi abasebenzi abakha le-drug laboratory abasebenza khona abakhiqiza lama-drugs mihla namalanga ukuthi asabalale adliwe yingane ezisakhula kanye nabantu abadala abaqeda umholo wabo kulama-drugs. South Africa iyabheda. No-Minister Senzo Mchunu uke waya eyoyibheka le-drug laboratory ngoba kuyamangaza ukuthi kutholakala i-drug laboratory elinganiselwa ku-20 million edolobheni elincane elifana neStandardini. Yilapho-ke ohambile wayosheka. Asike sizwe ukuthi uthini mayebuya khona.
Investigation came as a result of a complaint of suspicious activities that commenced some time ago, and then a search warrant was obtained, or it was sought and it was obtained, and when they pounced on these establishments, because this is a third establishment that we are covering, they then found a lot of chemicals and drums, powder and chemicals and sacks, machinery, equipment, and it was confirmed that all 3 locations or sites were actually crime scenes. We started from the one in town, we went to the next one, hidden behind trees, tall trees, on a farm far off from.
Kuyinkinga lokho. Ezinye izinto ezitholakalile lapha iBMW X5 utholakale nemali engango-3.6 million phakathi. Ubantu ababanjiwe bawu-9. Abathathu abase-South Africa bese kuthi abayisithupha bangokusuka eMozambique. Siyabuya eSouth Africa. I hope nitsalele kahle nina nisabuka kahle la sesidinga umkhumbi kaNoah.